Hello, Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Pita welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I will be doing a card reading, and this is from the deck called Mary Queen Angels. So let's begin. I'm just going to shuffle the card. I already give my intention and in my prayers to angels for this week. So let's see what angels have messages for all of us. Alright, so I got first card. Interesting. Second card. Wow. And let's see if there is a 3 card or 4 cards. Why it's taking so long? Okay. So here we have 3 cards, and as you know, I also do affirmations card, and I'll pull out 3 cards from this deck also, and that affirmation you have to practice for the whole week. So let's see. I got my first card, second card. Interesting. Now let's see if it's 4 cards, 3 cards, 4 cards, or 5 cards. Wow. Almost 4 cards. So let's begin. What angels have messages for us. So the first card is trust. Wow, it's a very interesting card. It's trust, and the meaning of this card is, I know that God in His infinite wisdom and love is answering my prayers right now. You ask this question because you desire reassurance that everything is going to be okay. This card asks you to trust that indeed it will be. By relaxing with faith and trusting in God's infinite intelligence, you open the doorway to answers to your prayers. In this way, you are more receptive to hearing heavenly guidance, which gives you instructions about which action steps to take. As you take them, you bring about divine result. This card promises you a favorable resolution to your current situation, even if it differs from your expectations. Mother Mary lovingly asks you to step out of the way so that God's handiwork has room to enter. Surrender any fears, worries, or desire to control the outcome. Trust in God's wisdom and love. Let's see second card. Wow, inner child. So let's see what it means. Meaning to this card is, I nurture the child within me through playfulness and self-care. Mother Mary watches over all children, including the child who always resides within each adult. This card comes to you as a reminder to care for your inner child who is crying out for attention. If you are only working and not having fun, this part of you begins to feel neglected and sad. This message is for you to create time for amusement and play. Your inner child also craves attention. If you have been overly critical of yourself lately, he or she may feel shame or depression. Forgiving yourself as Mother Mary forgives you for what you think you have done or not done. Learn from any mistakes instead of holding on to self-destructive guilt. Right this moment, please reassurance your inner child that you love her or him. Third card, last but not the least, watched over. Meaning to this card is, I allow myself to feel safe and enjoy my life, knowing that heaven is watching over my loved ones and me. This card brings a message of reassurance to your safety and asks you to drop any defenses or guards that may currently be preventing you from enjoying your life. By relaxing into God's protective arms, you reduce your stress level in a healthy way. God, Jesus, Mother Mary, and the angels have heard and answered your prayers for protection. You receive their answers via your repetitive feelings and thought, which guide you along the pathway of safety. Keep your mind sober and open so that you can clearly pick up on these divine messages, and be sure to take actions where they direct you. So this was a card reading for this week, and let's see the affirmations. So first affirmations. Wow. I dish out compliments sincerely and liberally. I dish out compliments sincerely and liberally. Second, peace is my pulse. Peace is my pulse. Third, whenever I compare myself to others, I simply say this prayer. The light I see in them is a reflection of my inner. Whenever I compare myself to others, I simply say this prayer. The light I see in them is a reflection of my inner life. Last but not the least, happiness is a choice I make. Happiness is a choice I make. So this was the card reading and the affirmation for this week. I hope this card reading will help you guys to get all your answers for this week. Also, angels are telling me, angels are giving me a message to let you guys know that be more patient. They are just telling me that in this situation, of course, it is very easy for everybody to become more impatient or to lose our consciousness. But they are telling me to tell you guys to be more patient. They are saying not to lose the faith and hope in your God and angels. They are saying that we are always with you, just it's a matter of time that you have to remember them and you have to call them. So whenever you feel like you're stuck somewhere or you're stuck with some questions and unable to find answers, so close your eyes, take a deep breath and remember your angels, and in no time you will be able to get your answers. I hope you enjoy this card reading, and for the rest of the week I wish you guys all the very best. I want to say thank you to all the people who have subscribed to my channel. Like it, share it with their friends and family. Also, if you guys are new, I would recommend you subscribe to my channel, so every week you will be able to see my card reading, and I will be coming up with some new topics and you will enjoy those. If you guys have not turned on the notification button, so turn on the notification button, so whenever my new video will be updated, you guys will be getting notifications. Also, I want to say thanks to all who have put nice comments on my videos. Thank you, all of you. Also, I want to say thank you to all who are reaching out to me through WhatsApp, through messages, through phone, through Instagram or Facebook, and appreciating me and my work. Thank you, all of you, for wonderful comments and wonderful compliments. Thank you guys. I also wanted to say thanks to my team, as they are working really hard putting things together and making sure to upload new videos every week. So thank you guys, all of you. I, Sangeeta Patel, take a leave. Till next time, I see you guys. Keep smiling, be happy, with lots of love, angel blessings. Namaste.